Basically, we're just stopping people to ask, you know, what they think of the weather, if they think it's too hot or...
No, it's fantastic, and anyone who says too hot, crazy.
Nah, actually, well, I'm from Australia and Shani's from
Miami, so we're used to
So, yeah,
this is nice.
We think it's quite good. I got a long sleeve, I got like a bit of a sweater on, so we're all good.
No, I think it's just about perfect. I went for a swim this morning, so that set me off just the right way for the start of the day. It was really cool. The water was nice and cold, but I just got off the Lewis, so that wasn't great.
For me, I'm originally from Georgia. For me, this weather,
Okay.
it's absolutely no problem. No. We have, at the moment, we have 35 degrees back in Georgia, so
This is
we
nothing.
are just enjoying.
Enjoy it whilst you can. We had a bad winter, so now, you know, it's good for the brain, get a bit of endorphins from the sun and just chill out.
You like the snow, didn't
We
you?
want snow over here.
Snow in the winter and sun in the summer.
So what do you say to people who are, you know, giving out about it and complaining and saying it's too hot?
Sit in the shade, make it work for you, drink plenty of water.
Yeah, I can understand where they're coming from if they complain about it, you know.
Okay.
If people find it too hot. It's the same as if people find it too cold.
Yeah.
But, you know, you can take certain measures. Don't go outside, for a start.
Everyone around here seems to not wear sunscreen and get burnt to a crisp, so if you wear sunscreen, you're not a pussy.
Oh, you can't say that.
Well, people say, oh, you're wearing sunscreen, you're a pussy, you know, all this sort of stuff, but
That's the thing. You
Yeah.
think, just put it on.
just
it's
put it
all
on,
good.
get it done, yeah.
James, do you like the weather?
Is it too hot? Is it too hot? No.